Hi guys, welcome to this video. We have finally arrived in Maldives after 30 hours, flight after flight, layover and all that. We finally arrived in our dream destination. Welcome, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video.
How you feeling, Maldives?
Good.
Are you happy?
Yeah.
A little bit tired, right?
Yeah.
But you're happy, right? Finally we are here.
Hello! We just arrived on our way to our resort. Okay. So happy.
Go here.
When you walk in, the first thing you see to the left is the closet. There's slippers. There's a lot of space. Wait guys, let me get a video. And on the right is the shower. Oh, the toilet first actually. And then on the left is the shower. Has a razor, a comb for your hair, another one, toothbrush, shower cap, soap, and lotion. Double sink. There's more on the other side. One for each, for the couple. This has a door, you can go to the backyard. We just got here, so there's complimentary water, tea, and coffee. The bar is extra, and the prices are right there. Got the bed. Okay. Say hi guys, we just got here. So this is a vlog just to show you guys if you're gonna come here. We will be here for New Year's, so oh, let's push. Yeah, we just got here, so I'm still learning how to. Yeah, the bathroom's right there. So if you're wet from swimming, you can go straight to the bathroom. There's a little table here to hang out. We chose the one that has the bathtub. There's more than one option. Banyo? You want to take a shower? Yeah, we just 30-hour flight. 30 hours flight. Now we're finally here, so let's enjoy. For my luck, they left my luggage in Qatar. I have nothing to wear but this winter clothes from New York. But I'm gonna have to buy something until my luggage arrives here.
Oh, mama.
So pretty. Muito. Mommy gonna get my bikinis on.
Why are you not going down?
Because it's cold.
So of course the airline left my luggage in Qatar, and we are in Maldives, and it's like 5 hours away. So Kevin's is here. Oh, actually that's the carry-on is here. Andres, Vida's, Kevin's carry-on, but mine's not here. So everyone's swimming, and now I'm over here wearing clothes from New York because it was the first stop from Orlando to New York. I'm gonna go buy some bikini, and the airline's gonna pay for it because it was their mistake. I'm so sad. Like, I'm mad about my outfits. I have cute dresses to wear, but at the same time, nothing's making me stressed. I'm about to swim like this if I have to. I'm happy. I'm here. I cannot believe that I'm in Maldives. So yeah, they're having fun over there. So Vida, I love you guys. So this is our room right here. That's one of the restaurants. Right next door is the restaurant, one of them. And then the store's right here. I'm gonna go try to find some bikini, a dress, something. 10:20 p.m. local time. And Tampa is like what? Early. I don't know. It's like 2 o'clock in the afternoon in Tampa. We are exhausted, jet lag.
10:23 a.m.
Oh, that's it? 10:20 a.m. in Tampa? So I've been like posting, and everyone's like commenting because like, oh, they just woke up. We are so tired because the time is different. We're exhausted. Water, let's go. So we took a nap, and we didn't want to sleep too much because now it's bedtime. And now we're gonna get dinner, and took a shower, and I'm wearing the same dress I bought because I'm not gonna buy any more. My luggage will be here tomorrow morning. I'm wearing this. How embarrassing, but whatever. Yeah, going to get dinner now. Because you were sleeping. And the airline is contacting us via WhatsApp about my luggage. I mean, it's the best airline in the world / best economic class in the world. But you know, even the best messes up, and I need my clothes. I need to change. Bora! Thank you so much for watching our first day in Maldives. There's so much more coming. You guys have no idea. This is just the first day in our first resort. So make sure you guys subscribe, like this video, and stay tuned for the next part of Maldives. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to find me on Instagram. All links in my description box.